Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting latest updates from ChatGPT. Whether you're a casual user or a pro, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, we have GPT-4, the powerhouse behind ChatGPT's latest version. GPT-4 is now multimodal, which means it doesn't just understand text anymore, it can also process images. Here's the cool part. You can upload an image and ask ChatGPT questions about it. For example, let's upload a picture of a cat and ask what breed is this. GPT-4 will analyze the image and give you a thoughtful response, just like it would with text. Pretty awesome, right? This makes ChatGPT a lot more versatile in handling all kinds of media. Now, if you want to access GPT-4 and other advanced features, you'll need to grab a ChatGPT Plus subscription. For just $20 a month, you get access to the latest GPT-4 model, plus faster responses and priority access during peak hours. Not only will you get a smoother experience, but you also unlock some pretty cool new abilities, like web browsing and advanced data analysis. So if you're serious about getting the most out of ChatGPT, this is a great option. One of the most exciting new features is memory. Starting in 2024, ChatGPT can remember details between conversations. This means it can recall your preferences, names, and even previous conversations. So, if you like the model to be more formal or humorous, it'll remember that for next time. And don't worry, you're in control. You can update, review, or delete memories whenever you want. If you're into data, this next feature is a game changer. Advanced Data Analysis, ADA, or the code interpreter allows GPT-4 to run Python code, generate charts, and analyze data directly in the chat. So whether you need to crunch numbers, visualize data, or even write some custom code, ChatGPT's got your back. It's like having a personal data scientist at your fingertips. For pro users, ChatGPT now has a web browsing feature. This allows it to pull real-time information from the internet. Gone are the days of outdated answers. It's now up to date with the latest news, stock prices, and much more. So if you need info that's current, you can ask ChatGPT to look it up and provide answers based on the most recent sources. Another huge update, voice features. ChatGPT can now talk to you, and you can talk to it. You can input voice commands, and it'll respond in voice as well. Whether you're on the go or just want a hands-free experience, you can now have full voice conversations with ChatGPT. Super convenient. And finally, one of the coolest features, custom GPTs. You can create your own personalized version of ChatGPT tailored to your needs. Adjust the module's personality, upload custom files, or even integrate APIs. No coding required. And finally, one of the coolest features, custom GPTs. You can create your own personalized version of ChatGPT tailored to your needs. Adjust the module's personality, upload custom files, or even integrate APIs. No coding required. So, those are the latest and greatest updates for ChatGPT in 2024. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, there's a ton to explore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below with your favorite feature. Catch you in the next one.